Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn about the International Place Value Chart. First day the class I taught you, the second day class I taught you the Indian Place Value Chart. In Indian Place Value, first let me remind you the Indian Place Value Chart, then International will be easy. In Indian Place Value Chart, first period is ones period. First period is ones period. In this ones period, there are 3 digits. In this period there are 3 digits, so that is ones, tens and hundreds. So these 3 digits are there in ones period. This is period. This is period. This is places. You must know the difference. This is period. This is ones period. In ones period there are 3 places. The ones, tens and hundreds. After ones period, next comes thousands period. In thousands period, only there are 2 places, that is 1000 and 10,000. 1000 and 10,000. So there are 2 periods, 1000 and 10,000. Then after next comes the lakhs period. In lakhs period also there are 2 places, that is lakh and 10 lakh. Lakh and 10 lakh. Then comes the crores period. So in crores period also there are 2 places, that is crore and 10 crore. Crore and 10 crore. Okay, remember only the ones place will have 3 places. Only ones period. All other thousands, lakhs, crores period will have only 2 places. Only 2 places. This is the Indian Place Value Chart. This is Indian Place Value Chart. This is Indian Place Value Chart. Now let's see the International Place Value Chart. International Place Value Chart, there is a little different. So in International Place Value Chart also in ones period, there are 3 places. Ones, tens, hundreds. This remains the same. This is periods. This is places. Again next comes the thousands period. Here comes, there are 3 places. There are 3 places. So first will be 1000s, next will be 10,000s, next will be 100,000s. So remember 100,000 is extra added. 100,000 is extra added. So this is 1,000s, 10,000s and 100,000. Up to 10,000 our Indian system and international system is same. After 10,000 there is a change. Here it becomes 100,000, but in Indian system it will be lakh. It will be 100,000 here, but here it will be lakh. But in international system, lakh doesn't come, crore also doesn't come. And here after thousands period comes, next comes the million period. Crore and lakh periods doesn't come in the international system. So in million period also there are 3 places. So that will be 1 million, and next will be 10 million, then next will be 100 million. In the International Place Value Chart, the periods will be, everything will be in 3 places. Everything will be in 3 places. Ones place also 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds. Thousands place, thousands period also 3 places, 1,000s, 10,000s, 100,000s. Million place also million periods also 3 places. 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. 1, 10, 100. So this also 1, 10, 100,000. This is also 1, 10, 100 millions. So this is the way you can remember. So 100,000 will be 1 lakh. 100,000 will be 1 lakh. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. 1 million equal to 10 lakh. 10 million equal to 1 crore. 10 million equal to 1 crore. 100 million equal to 10 crore. 100 million equal to 10 crore. Up to 10,000, both the values are same. Both the value and the name is same. And here also 100,000 and lakh, both the value is same. Only the name is different. In international, they are calling 100,000, but in Indian we are calling lakh. And now 10 million if you take, in international they are calling it is 10 million, but in India we take it this is 1 crore. Both the value is the same, only the name is the different. So now 1 crore, how do we write the 1 crore? This is 1 crore. 1 million also is the same, but only the comma will be different. Here first 3 comma, here also 3 comma. After that here only 2, but here it becomes 3. The zeros are remaining same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 must be there. Make mistake fast. Now 1, 5, 6, 7. So this is 1 crore. Only the periods we are dividing the periods with the comma, that is a different. Now 1 million, 10 million. I told 1 crore and 10 million is same. So 10 million will be here 1 and zeros will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here also 7 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 zeros. So but here the periods will be different. Here 3 periods, after that 3 periods, here only 2 periods remain. So this comma, dividing the periods with the comma, that is the difference. This is 10 million. So 1 crore and 10 million is equal. 1 crore equal to 10 million. This value is same, but only the name is different. In Indian we call it this is 1 crore. In international we call it 10 million. So remember it carefully. Now let's learn to write the number name in international system. So how to write? Now I have given one example is here. Here the number is given. So you have to write the number name. First you have to mark the periods. Marking the periods. Already I explained you. So remember, mark the periods. So to mark the periods, you have to mark with a comma. So already told in Indian international system, 3 digits. So first 3 digits, again 3 digits. So this is the way you have to mark the periods. This is called marking the periods. In Indian system, first 3 periods, then 2 periods, we put a comma. But in international system, everything is separated in 3 periods. So these 3 periods is called ones. These 3 together, this is ones period. Again these 3 together, thousands period. Again here only 1 place is remaining. This is million period. So this is the first you separate, then you can write it. Now this is million period, and in this box the number is 3. So this will be 3 million. So you have to write it 3 million. 3 million. Again now next period is 1000. Next is 1000. In 1000 period, here this 3 number how do we read? 794, how do we read? We read it 794. 794. This 3 number, you have to look at only these 3 numbers, whatever is inside this thousands period. 794. So how we can write this name will be 794 thousands. The number is 794 and it is in thousands period, so it will be 794 thousands. 794 thousands. thousands. Again, now the last is the ones period. In ones period, what is the number is there? Three numbers, 6, 5, 8. How do we read? We read it 658. 658. So this is ones period. So you don't need to write 658 once. Just we write 658. So and the last period, before the last period, we mark it, and it is up to you whether to write or not write. So 658. If you mark the period, then it will be easy to write. So let me give one more example. Here is the number. First let's mark the period. So 3 digits you have to mark the, always when you mark the period you have to start from the right side, not from the left side. So from right side we will start 3 periods, 1, 2, 3, again 1, 2, 3. So 3 periods we have marked, and this is the ones period, this 3 together, ones period, again this 3 together, thousands period, again remaining these 2 digits is million period. So first is ones period, thousands period, and millions period. Now first marking the period you mark from the right side, but when you write the name you have to start from the left side. So here the period is million, and in this box the number is 59. So we write it 59 million. 59 million. Again here thousands period the number is 040. So this one, how do we read this number? 40. So 0 is no value, only 40 we read it. So 40 thousands. 40 thousands. 40 thousands. And now the ones period, this number we read it 320. 320. This is the way we write the number. So you mark the period, then it will be easy to write the number. Okay, practice thoroughly. I cannot explain more and more. The longer video is very difficult also. So only this much I am teaching. You practice more and more.